Let me introduce you to someone both deeply relatable and truly exceptional. Dr. Nan-Hee Burns, who earned a PhD in philosophy from University of California, San Diego, all while raising two children.
A fun fact about Dr. Burns, her GRE score was in the 98th percentile. Only about 2% of test takers reach this level, making it an exceptionally challenging goal even for native speakers. Here's the most remarkable part. Dr. Burns is a non-native English speaker from Korea who moved to the U.S. to pursue her PhD. So how did she achieve all of this? By studying smarter, not harder. For example, when preparing for the GRE, she memorized the entire dictionary, but not word by word. She learned root by root. Once you understand the roots of English words, vocabulary stops being a random list. It becomes logical. New words turn into something you decode, not something you fear. To succeed in America as a non-native English speaker, you face a double challenge, mastering your specialized career skills while also perfecting your English.
There's plenty of advice from native speakers on improving English, but most of it misses the mark.
Native speakers who never studied another language don't truly know how to acquire English. As a non-native English speaker, you can't rely on learning English naturally. You have to study smarter, logically, systematically, and efficiently. And that's exactly what Dr. Burns teaches. She guides learners through all the aspects of English, not just vocabulary, but reading, listening, speaking, writing, and even test-taking strategies, as her GRE score proves. She's been where you are.
She knows what it feels like to struggle, to doubt yourself, and to feel stuck. And she knows the way forward, because she walked that path herself.
So, get ready to learn from someone extraordinary, someone who makes the impossible achievable. Welcome to the world of Dr. Nan-Hee Burns, and welcome to your next chapter in English mastery.